The value of food. The foodstuff we use comes from various different places such as fields, lakes, the sea, and forests. Starting from preparing the fields till storing the grains in warehouses, many different kinds of tasks are carried out for growing crops. Harvesting, threshing, and winnowing are some of these tasks. The story of a bhakri. In summer, it would be the right time for redding the fields. Different implements are attached to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. The farmer plows the fields either with a tractor or with the help of bulls, and then crushes the lumps of soil. Finally, he levels the field to make it ready for sowing. The pre-monsoon showers would make the hot soil humid. This is the time the farmer would sow bajra. Rainwater is enough for bajra to grow vigorously. When the ears of corn are full, it is harvest time. That is, all the ears of bajra must be cut and gathered. Then follows threshing and winnowing. This is how we get the grain from the ears of bajra. A machine is used for threshing and winnowing. In the machine, threshing and winnowing are done at the same time. The harvested ears are put in the machine, the grain gets separated and falls into a bag tied to the machine. The chaff and other rubbish gets blown off. The grain obtained after winnowing is filled in sacks. Proper care is taken to make sure that it will not be attacked by insects or other pests such as mice or rats. After putting aside some grain for the family, the remaining sacks are sent to the market to be sold. When the traders there buy the grain, the farmer gets the money for the crop that he has grown. The grain that the traders buy is sold all over the country. It is transported by means of trucks or goods trains. It is the turn of porters and truck drivers to put in their labor. Transport costs a lot too. Now the sacks of grain reach the provision stores. People buy the grain, they sort out any stones or rubbish to clean the grain. They get it milled into a flour, then, while cooking, the flour is kneaded into lumps. The lumps are then flattened into a bhakri and roasted. We spend on the fuel too. Thus, at the end of all this, the bhakri appears in our plate. We get fish from water. Fishermen work very hard to catch the fish. There are people who gather and sell fruits like amla, jamun, karwanda, bor, which grow in forests. Some people have vegetable farms, while some people have orchards for growing fruit crops. Some people keep poultry, while some rear animals for milk and meat.